National Welding Supplies is proud to introduce the new IDM pressure machine and inverter generator, engineered for performance and reliability. Power through tough cleaning jobs with our 3200 psi petrol pressure washer, delivering 9.5 liters per minute for maximum performance. Petrol pressure washer with GX200 Honda engine, 3200 psi, 9.5 liters per minute, built tough for serious cleaning power. Petrol inverter generator, 3300 watt peak power with easy recoil start. Reliable, quiet, and portable. Petrol inverter generator, 4500 watt peak power with electric start. Quiet, efficient, and easy to use.
Call us today at 02960452222 or visit our website at www.nationalwelding.com.eu for further details.